Hey guys, Toilets Rock here, and today I will be flushing my 2018 Mansfield Summit Dual Flush Toilet on a mid-tank. Here we go. Tank is at the waterline, let's give it a flush. Really nice flush. So I will do the same flush, but this time on an overfilled tank. The tank is about to overfill. 3, 2, 1. I like how it's siphoned in the end, and I like how it swirls like it's got a violent swirl. So now I'm gonna clog the siphon jet and have the water in the tank to be at the water line with the clogged siphon jet. So I will be back. Okay, so I clogged the siphon jet. The water in the tank is at the water line, slightly over, but here we go. That was awesome. It siphoned a little bit, but not fully. But at least we know that it siphons. And the strange thing is, when I did my Mansfield Pro Fit, not the Summit, it wasn't able to siphon. So actually, it's probably because I'm using more water in the tank. When I did the other Mansfield toilet, it was using the Niagara Stealth tank, so it's using more water. But enough of the talking. Let's do the same flush, but on an overfilled tank. The siphon jet is still clogged. The tank is now overfilling. Let's see how it flushes now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And the flapper's leaking. It was about a siphon, you gotta be kidding me, but... So, I noticed when I partially clogged the siphon jet, it's got the best flush out of all of these mid-tank flushes, so... where's this? Ah, there it is, the bottle cap. I will clog the siphon jet, partially clog it. I like to, point the bottle cap up as I clog it. So now all I gotta do is to wait for the tank to fill up to the water line, and then I'll flush it. I am back. Partially clogged siphon jet at the water line in the tank. Let's try this again because the siphon jet just unclogged itself, the toilet. So let me try this again. All right, so I'm back. Hopefully this works this time. That's a lot better. So the last flush, obviously, I'm gonna overfill the tank and then I will wrap it up. All right, the tank is about to overfill in 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Last flush. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Let's wait for the tank to fill up at a good water line. It may be slightly below, but enough to make it at least have a good siphon. 3, 2, 1.